I was asked by a student one time, what can I do to look more confident when I'm speaking and presenting? I said the answer is easy. Be more confident. The real question is, how do I become more confident? You see, it's not about acting, it's about authenticity. In this workshop, we're going to help you find that with what you say, how you say it, and what they see when you're delivering it to them. In the Command the Room workshop, you're going to learn how to read the room, how to use a confident response tool, and you're going to receive coaching on all of those activities. We look forward to seeing you in the next class.